I love bento, but bento is a culture.
Wow, you can see this.
The Japanese bento is more healthy.
ご円そば天ぷら弁当です。
Bento is a lifestyle.
Welcome to the 2023 Railway Bento Festival.
Bento box is everywhere in Taiwan.
There's something nostalgic about having this meal that has every piece of a meal in a cute box.
It's a very long time ago when the human just can take a train. It's the very expensive for them. And then when you can take the train on the train, just eat a bento. And now it's even become our habit. When you have to take the TIA train, you just must have to eat a bento.
And as you can see here at the Bento Festival, you can get a standard pine box, a takeaway disposable box, but you can also get some fantastic Hello Kitty boxes, the JR Shinkansen box. It becomes a collectible item. So you can see from year to year, everybody raises the bar to become the Bento King. Bento is a lifestyle.
We have 12 Japan Railways finalists to attending our Bento Festival. This is the first time the JR East Railway sells the bento in the 2023 Bento Festival. You can see it has spaghetti and rice and some chicken and potato on this. It's very delicious.
The Japanese bento is more healthy because they use less of the oil. It's more healthy than Taiwan bento, but Taiwan bento is very delicious because Taiwanese like the meat and many rice.
日本人弁当みんな大好きです。台湾と違って冷たい弁当ですけど、冷たい弁当が日本では人気です。
This one is miso wagyu oyaki bento made by Seibu Railway.
This the bento is the very special. Why is it have the miso sauce on this, so it's very different the taste.
This is omigyu curry bento made by Omi Railway.
It have the curry on the sauce and with the beef on this. You can try it. It's the miso one. It's the first thing.
This is wagyu sukiyaki bento made by Izu Hakone Railway.
It's the fun also. It's the wagyu bento, but it's the wagyu, not just the wagyu, but also it's the red yak. It's a little use the fire to cook this one, so it tastes like a different taste way. This one is the biggest bento manufacturer in Japan.
This bento's name is Hippari Dakomeshi.
I love seeing the throwback. To me, seeing the retro bento style and bringing back that charm and the nostalgia of the past era and the old school locomotive and the steam train, we definitely love that throwback to the time of past, the comfort and family and seeing a slower time. And so what I love, and you'll see through here, is some examples of some of the older original bentos, which are so charming.
This is the Taiwan High-Speed Rail and Taiwan High-Speed Rail. They have the three kinds of the bento to attend this 2023 Bento Festival. This is the Guanshan Bento.
我们边上比较特别，就是
This bento is very special for his the rice, because the rice is from the Guanshan, and the Guanshan, what is the rice is very delicious.
I absolutely see bento becoming a contemporary piece. You will see in some fine dining restaurants, it is actually a presentation, which is so charming. And they have the challenge of creating a gourmet bento experience in some fine dining restaurants. So it's crossed over just from train travel to now a part of modern day social culture.